Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop or disable autoplay video or audio in your Twitter account, Twitter or X account. Go to your profile icon from the top left corner and here scroll down and tap on settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option accessibility, display and languages. Tap on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option data uses. Limit how X uses some of your network's data. Tap on it. Here at the bottom of the page you will find video autoplay. Select when videos should play automatically. Tap on a small icon and choose never. If you want to limited video playing, then only on Wi-Fi and also on cellular or Wi-Fi both. So choose never to stop autoplay video on your Twitter or X account. If you want to completely disable, then simply turn the data saver on. If you turn on data saver, then complete feature autoplay video audio will disabled. That's all.